Hello dear students, welcome to the lecture on Advanced Calculus and Numerical Methods. So in this lecture, I am going to discuss briefly about the concept of vector integration. Under vector integration, we'll be studying what is meant by line integral, surface integral, volume integral, and I'm going to expand work done by the concept of line integrals and also expanding Green's theorem, Stokes theorem and Gauss divergence theorem from the concept of line, surface and volume integrals. So first we will see what is meant by vector integration. The evaluation of an integral along with the given curve C is called the line integral. Suppose if f is given like f1 of I cap plus f2 of j cap plus f3 of k cap be a vector point function where f1, f2, f3 are the variables of x, y, z. For any vector r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. So then if r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, I'll be finding dr is equal to what? Dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap such that the line integral of the curve C can be defined like integration over the region C vector f dot dr will be equal to integration over the region C f1 I cap plus f2 j cap plus f3 k cap dot with dr vector, I mean dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. Then from this dot product concept, I'll be expanding this equation. So I got the integration over the region C vector f dot dr is equal to integration over the region C f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. So this is a required formula to use the concept in the line integrals, and this formula can be useful for finding the work done also. Problem: if f is equal to 3x y cap minus y square j cap, evaluate integration over the region C vector f dot dr where C is the variable of y is equal to 2x square from the point 0, 0 to 1, 2. So some vector point function they have given, and the curve is given by some curve y is equal to 2x square, and that curve will be varies from the point 0, 0 to 1, 2. So let me take the given vector f is equal to 3xy I cap minus y square j cap, and we know that r is given by what? Xi plus yj plus zk. So on differentiating this, I'll be getting dr will be equal to dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. So now I'm going to find the value of f dot dr. So finding the dot product of f with dr vector, that will be equal to what? 3x y cap minus y cube j cap, sorry, y square j cap dot with dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. Since it is a dot, I'm multiplying only I with I, j with j, k with k. So I'll be getting f dot dr is equal to 3xy dx minus y square dy. And since the given curve C is given by y is equal to 2x square, so in this equation we need to convert all the y variable in terms of 2x square. So if y is equal to 2x square, dy will be 4x into dx, I will get it. So since I'm converting all y variable in terms of x variable, we need to have only the x limit. So on drawing the curve y is equal to 2x square, it's a parabola with a point 0, 0 and 1, 2 here. So now on replacing y and dy value, I'll be getting the equation like f dot dr is equal to 3x into 2x square dx minus 4x power 4 4x dx. I got it. I got the equation like 6x cube dx minus 16x power 5 dx. So I got f dot dr is equal to 6x cube minus 16x power 5 dx. So now applying the integration, since only dx is there, I need to use only x limit here. So according to this one, x varies from 0 to 1. So integration vector f dot dr is equal to integration x from 0 to 1, 6x cube minus 16x power 5 dx. So after integration, I will be getting 6x power 4 by 4 minus 16x power 6 by 6. With the limit 0 to 1, I'll be getting 6 by 4 minus 16 by 6. So answer will be minus 7 by 6. We'll get it. One more example, if f is equal to xy I cap plus yz j cap plus zx k cap, evaluate the integration over the region C vector f dot dr where C is the curve represented by the variables x is equal to t, y is equal to t square, z is equal to t cube. So when minus 1 less than or equal to t less than or equal to plus 1. So given f is equal to what? xy I cap, yz j cap plus zx k cap. Call this one as equation number 1. And we have r is equal to what? xi plus yj plus zk. So from this I'm going to estimate dr. dr is given by dx I cap, dy j cap, dz k cap. So I need to estimate f dot dr here. So by multiplying f with dot product of dr, I'll be getting xy I cap plus yz j cap plus zx k cap dot with dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. So on doing dot product, I will be getting f dot dr is equal to what? xy dx plus yz dy plus xz dx. Call it as equation number 2. Since they have given x is equal to t, y is equal to t square, z is equal to t cube, in this equation we have to convert all x, y, z in terms of t variable from this concept. So now if x is equal to t, obviously dx will be dt, y is equal to t square, dy will be 2t dt, I will get it. If z is equal to t cube, dz will be 3t square dt, I will get it. So now if I replace all the values in f dot dr, I'll be getting what? t cube dt plus 2t power 6 dt plus 3t power 6 dt. I'll be having f dot dr is equal to t cube plus 5t power 6 into dt. And now I'm going to apply the integration on both the sides. Since here t varies from -1 to +1, so it will become integration f dot dr integration -1 to 1 t cube dt plus 5 times of integration -1 to +1 t power 6 dt. On integrating this equation, I'll be having t power 4 by 4 with the limits -1 to +1, 5 into t power 7 by 7 with the limits -1 to +1. On applying the limit, I will be having 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 here, 5 by 7 into 1 plus 1. The answer is 10 by 7, we will get it. One more example, if f is equal to 3x square plus 6y I cap minus 14yz j cap plus 20xz square k cap. Evaluate integration over the region C vector f dot dr from the points 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1 along the curve is given like x is equal to t, y is equal to t square, z is equal to t cube. So same thing here also. First you have to estimate the value of f dot dr. Choose the f equation and take the dr from the r equation. R is equal to xi plus yz yj plus zk. I'll be having dr is equal to dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. If I found f dot dr by using the concept of dot product, I'll be getting the f dot dr is equal to 3x square plus 6y dx minus 14yz dy plus 20xz square dz. Call this one as equation number 2. So now I'm going to replace again x is equal to t, y is equal to t square, z is equal to t cube. So now if x is equal to t, dx will be dt, y is equal to t square, dy will be 2t dt. If z is equal to t cube, dz will be 3t square, I'll get it. So now if I incorporate all these values, I'll be getting f dot dr is equal to 9t square dt minus 28t power 6 dt plus 60t power 9 dt. So now we have to find the limits also. So now with the point 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, I mean x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 0, z is equal to 1. In this equation, I'll be getting t varies from 0 to 1 for all the points. So now applying the limit on both sides of the equation between the limit 0 to 1, the equation is given by integration vector f dot dr is equal to integration t varies from 0 to 1 9t square dt minus 28 into integration t from 0 to 1 t power 6 dt plus 60 into integration t from 0 to 1 t power 9 dt. After integration, I'll be having 9 into t cube by 3 with the limit 0 to 1 minus 28 t power 7 by 7 with the limit 0 to 1, 60 into t power 10 by 10 with the limit 0 to 1. So after applying the limits and all, I'll be getting 9 by 3 minus 28 by 7 plus 60 by 10. The answer will be 3 minus 4 plus 6. So answer will be 5. You'll get it. Thank you.